Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In this video, I will tell you how to make this employee registration page by using Java, JSP, MySQL database, and I will use Eclipse IDE. Now I am going to make this project. Now first I have to open Eclipse IDE. This is my Eclipse IDE. My Eclipse IDE is open. Create a new Maven dynamic web project. Now I am selecting dynamic web project. Now I am giving the name of my project is registration page. Registration page, and then next, and then next, and you tick on generate web x.xml deployment descriptor, and then finish. My registration page is created. Now in Java resources, src main Java, here I am creating a package. Package name is com.gopal, and finish. And inside this package I will create three class. One is DAO, employee, and employee DAO. First I am going to create a class DAO. Finish. Now my DAO class is created. Inside DAO I will write public static connection, because this is static connection, so I have to write public static connection create connection and curly bracket, and here I will write connection con is equal to none, and here I have to put try and catch for JDBC connection. Catch inside exception E, and you write system.out.print ln e exception. It will print your exception. So write here system.out.print. Now here I am going to put connection. Here I have to write class.forName com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Class.forName com.mysql.jdbc driver, and con.connect con is equal to driver manager, dot get connection jdbc :mysql localhost 3306, and here I am going to write my database name. My database name will be registration, and my MySQL database username is root and password is admin. Here I am getting the 3 error. I have to import connection, and I have to import driver manager, and here I have to write return on. Now my DAO class is ready. Next I am going to create employee. Right click here, new class, to give the name employee. Finish. And inside this employee I have to, here I am taking the variable that is int id, string name, string department, int age, and string address. Now I have to write the getter and setter. Right click here, source, getter and setter, and select all, generate. Now my getter and setter created. I have not required this line. Now my employee class is ready, and one more class I have to create, that is employee DAO. Right click here, new class, to write employee DAO, and then finish. Now your employee DAO class is ready. Now here I have to write public int save record emp, and here inside this you have to write let int z is equal to 0, and then you write try catch exception e pass a message system.out.print e, and you have to return z. Return z. Okay. Now in the try block I write connection con is equal to DAO.create connection. Connection con is equal to DAO.creation, and next prepare statement ps. Prepare statement ps is equal to con.prepare statement insert value employee is my table name, and here I put the 5 question mark. 5 question mark is for 5 variable I have taken: ID, name, department, age and address. That's why I put the 5 question mark here. The next line I have to write. Now I have to execute the query. So you write, let me to remove the error. Connection import and prepare statement. I have import the prepare statement. Now you write here ps dot set int. Here write 1 question mark 1 emp dot get id. Okay. Next line you have to write ps dot set string emp dot get name, and here write ps dot string semicolon, and fourth is ps dot set string ps dot set int for age, and final is ps dot set string. Here write 5 emp dot get address. So now I have set the query, and next now integer z I have already taken. Z is equal to ps dot execute update, and I am going to close the connection on dot close. Okay. So now my DAO class is ready. Employee DAO is ready. Now I am going to create the JSP file. Now first I am going to create index.jsp. Here src main web app. You click here. In web app you click here. Right click here. New JSP file. Now I am giving the name index and finish. Here I have to write inside the body title. I am writing here session page, and here you write in body. Here I write just I am going to color in my body, so I am writing here body color. I am taking the blue color body, and here I will write h2 tag. Again I am going to write here registration page, and here HR horizontal row HR tag. Here I am going to write A is equal to. Now I am going to sign up page. Sign up. Okay. Save it. Now I am going to run see the output. Index.jsp. Right click, run on server, concat 9. Next. Now I am in registration page, and finish. Okay. You see the my registration page, how it is looking, index page. This is registration page, this is sign up. Okay. Next I am going to create a sign up page. Right click here, new JSP. You write here sign up, finish. My sign up page is created. Now inside the body again I am going to write, put the color, and blue color is my favorite, that's why I am write here power blue. You can put any color as per your choice. And here again I will use HR tag. Here I am going to write sign up. This is my sign up page, and I am going to write, and then I will use form tag. Form, I will write here action is equal to register.jsp, and inside the table, inside the form, I will use table. Inside the table, I will write tr and td, enter id, input type text, name id, and next line I will write enter name. You can copy this line and paste here, and you write enter name and name, input type text, in place of id you write name, and third line you write department, enter department, input type text, name department, and next one is age, you write enter age, input type text, name age. Next one is address, and then now I'll go to put the submit button. You write input type submit, value submit. Now table is form tag is complete, and body HTML. Okay. Now I'm going to save it and see the output. Sign up page. Now see enter ID, enter name, enter department, enter age, enter address. Okay. Next I'll make a register page, because here after sign up I'll go to register page. So I'll create a register.jsp file, new JSP. You have to write register finish. Here I got the register.jsp. Now I am going to delete these two lines. I have not required these lines. Now here I write. Now I have to import JSP bean class com.gopal. Here I am going to write JSP use bean class. My package name is com.gopal, and this employee, here ID is employee and scope is session. Now I have to import the bean class, and next I have to set property. So I write here I am going to write JSP.setProperty. Property name is EMP, and I am selecting all the property here. And now in next line I write I have set all property, and I will write I have sent a message that data has been set. Now you see here I have set the right JSP.setProperty name is EMP. If you go there, you see here I have created employee DAO, and I have written here save record employee EMP. So I have write here EMP ID. Next line I write. After that I will go to a table. After that I will go to a table, and here a print data or display data, you can say display, not print. I am taking display data. Now register page is complete, and after that I have to create a table, because I have written table.jsp. Now I am going to create a file table.jsp. Right click here, class JSP, to write table.jsp. .jsp. My table.jsp file is created. Now here again I am removing these lines, I am not required. Here I am going to write JSP code. Now I am going to import employee DAO class. So I have to write here page import com.gopal employee DAO, and inside here I write same bean class JSP.bean, and scope is session. I'll show you. Here I have to write here the same I am going to write here. Class is com.gopal employee, ID is employee, session. Now I am going to put a background color. I am going to put some background color, that's why right here. Now here I am going to set the property right here, ID JSP get property, name EMP, property ID, and now I'll put a BR tag here for next line, and in next line I write name. You can copy and paste this line, but here you can write name JSP employee, ID name, and then again I put BR tag, department, again BR tag, address, to display ID, name, department, age and address. Now here I am going to write some JSP file, percentage. After this I will write employee DAO object is equal to new employee DAO. Employee DAO object is equal to new employee DAO, and now I am taking integer w. The object will pass in integer w. I need to go to save record. We write here object dot save record. Now I am going to pass this object int w is equal to object dot save record emp. Emp means employee. Now I am going to use if and else. If w is greater than 0, our dot print and some message here, our dot print record saved successfully. Else our dot print record not saved in database. Here is message record not saved in database, and if it is w is greater than 0, then record saved successfully in database. DB or can write a database. So record not saved in database table, record saved in database table. So now I am going to create the database. Now I am going to create a database named registration. Now I am going to open MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench admin. Okay, now I am going to create a schema. Database name I am giving registration. Database name is registration. Then apply and finish. Now registration is created here. Now I am creating a table. Create table. So I am giving the table name is, my table name is employee. Just copy it and go there, paste it employee. Now I'm going to fill the column. So here first one is, now I'm going to here First one is ID. You write ID, integer type. It is primary key. Next one, name, varchar, and next one is department, varchar. Next one, age, integer type, and next one is address, varchar. Okay. Now apply and finish. Okay. Now view your table. Now say ID, name, department, age and address. Now I'm going to save the project and going to run it. My database and database table. Click on index.jsp. Right click here. Run on server. Tomcat. Next. Registration page. Finish. Click on sign up. Here enter ID. I am going to put the enter ID is 101. Name Subodh. Department purchase. Age is 35. Address is Noida. And then submit. And your data has been set. Display data. You see here it is showing record saved successfully in database table. Now I am going to see the database table. Here I am going to refresh it. You see 101 Subodh purchase 35 Noida. Now I can put one more data here. I am going to put two more data. Run on server. Tomcat. Next, finish, sign up, 102, Nidhi, department, sales, age 25, address Delhi, submit, display data, okay, record saved successfully in database table. One more data I am going to entry and finish. Sign up 103 Monica, accounts, age 30, address Delhi, display data. Okay, I have put the correct details, credential, and now I am going to check the MySQL database. Here you see, I have put the three data. One is Nidhi, Subodh, Nidhi, Monica. Now suppose if I put the same ID, suppose again run as and finish, sign up. Now I put the same ID as I put here 101. Suppose I am going to put the ID is 101, name Komal, department accounts, age 30, Delhi, submit, data has been set, display data, I have the display data, but here you see record not saved in database table. Why? Because my ID is primary key, so I cannot repeat the same ID more than one time. Now I am going to use the 101 two times, so it is going to refuse to save database in database table. And here if you go here, you see I am get the exception. Java SQL integrity consistent violated exception duplicate entry 101 key for employee primary. So now I think you have understand how to create registration page by using bean class and JSP and MySQL database. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. It is very useful for the beginner to practice this type of project. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Thanks.